Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. This is again your Mommy Spike, your call center agent sa gabi, vlogger sa umaga, at mother 24/7. O, diba? So that's my new intro, guys. I don't know who suggested that. I don't remember, but I hope you liked it. But if not, comment down below if my suggestion kayo. So anyways, guys, so I just came from work. It's in the morning, nighttime sa mga call center agents dyan. I cannot sleep yet, so I just thought of a new content for you guys since I cannot sleep. So I just thought of sharing you what I do when I cannot sleep. So obviously, guys, since we're in an adulting stage, right? We're papunta naman tayo lahat doon. We're all adulting. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo my Tita Essentials or my adulting first aid kit, ganon. So, this is it, guys. So, this is my adulting kit. Or sa Bisaya pa, guys, mga angkan, right? So, ito ang this is what we need. Mga lana-lana, guys, ba? Para sa mga angkan, para sa mga adult, we're not getting any younger, obviously, na pareha sa ato ang teen years where we can do everything. Parang hindi tayo nauubusan ng energy. But once you guys will have kids, and if you are in an adulting stage as well, regardless if you have kids or not, konting kembot lang, guys, panuhot agad. So ito yung pouch. So it's been with me since, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. I was a team leader before, and one of my agents gave this to me. Her name is Ron. Naalala ko pa, this pouch is very special to me, guys. Nandito pa yung... She gave this to me for Christmas, and before she resigned from the company, binigay niya ito sa akin. And I still could remember her name, Ron. If you are watching, hello sa'yo. I hope you're doing well. I still have the card or the letter that she placed inside. Ito. Right. Diba ang cute? So that's why this pouch is very memorable to me. And ayan nga, guys, my mga dirt na, and I have not disposed it. Sayang kasi i-dispose because again, this is memorable, and this was given to me by one of my agents before. So, balik tayo sa purpose ng video na ito, guys. So obviously, this is my Tita Essentials, kumbaga. Adulting essentials, ganon. Diba sa mga laishu dyan, mga essential oils, ganun, but we call it lana sa Bisaya, mga haplas, ana. So, the first thing that's, I will share to you guys is, here, Aceite de Manzanilla. I use this for my kids most of the time. As you can see, medyo nagamit ko na siya, obviously. So especially for kids, right? Sometimes they can't bear the heat because most of the oils are or have menthol. So Aceite de Manzanilla, guys, ibutang siya sa mga hubon-hubon sa bata, sa tiyan. Same usage as sa kung naakay efficacent oil, guys. So, kani, mas friendly siya sa bata. Since I have kids, I always bring this. Sometimes I use this as well if wala na akong efficacent oil. Like I said, I also have efficacent oil. I have yung white. So, minsan I get this, or kapag maubos, or if I replenish, I get the super strength. Basta yung may strength, ganon. I don't know. I think the standard of being effective is yung heat talaga niya. So ito yung partner in crime ko when I don't have anything. Either Aceite de Manzanilla, especially for my kids, and this one, efficacent oil, always effective. Kahit nasa work ako, guys, I don't care. Kahit mga moy ako dyan. Kahit nga mga team leads ko din, they're using it, and I don't mind it. And I also have Tai Chi Ginger Rub. It's like Vicks Vapor Rub, guys. So it's anti-inflammatory. Yan. Mas maganda pa to sa perfume, guys, to be honest. So I use this if may sipon ako, or my headache, or if I'm not feeling well. Sinisimot ko lang to, guys, para kung addict. Or I get a thin layer and apply it to whatever part of the body is irritated, or my skin bites. Pwede din to sa kids. Don't have this, it's fine. Pwede din namang Vicks Vapor Rub, or pwede ding katin ko. Yan. Diba? So what I have is the stick version, kasi sometimes it's easier, diba? I-push mo lang and then you apply to whatever is irritated on your skin. But if not, meron din ganito na version yung katin ko, green yata yung kulay, if I am remembering it correctly. White and then green yung parang detailed color niya or something. Sa Vicks, diba, blue? So, yan. Or katin ko, guys, for insect bites. You can use it for your kids as well. In my pouch, always betadine for wounds. Ito, guys, sa mga travel ko, I always have either efficacent na yung roll-on na style, para at least easier lang when you are traveling, or if you are bringing a lot of things. Kasi diba, dalhin mo to, right? And then you pour it on your palms or in your hands, tapos nagra-rub ka doon. This is also very helpful. Very small. Yan. And tapos i-roll on lang ganun. And since hindi naman ako makatulog, guys, so nilalagay ko to siya. And I am the type of person that's biyahelo. Kahit sa aeroplano, guys, lalo na yung anong tawag dyan, take off at saka landing, I close my eyes and then I smell ointment that I have. Either this, white flower. Sino ba namang walang white flower dyan? Raise your hand. Always, right? So, white flower. Lalo na kapag nung guys, buntis ako, I always have this. Kahit basta may menthol akong ma-smell, I'm good. Panglaban sa mga sumpa dyan, guys. Especially if you're pregnant, right? Palagi kang nasusuka. You don't like the smell of orange. Yung mga citrus, diba? Allergic tayo dyan during our first 3 months. If nakaka-relate kayo, I'm sure nakaka-relate kayo. At saka feel mong nasusuka, eto. Efficacent oil, white flower, and I have another one, guys. This is also Tai Chi stick liniment. Tai Chi, it's 100% menthol. I think sa tatlo, the strongest in smell is this. And then white flower or efficacent, parang nagtatay silang dalawa, but this is so far my favorite. It's a new liniment that I have found sa pharmacy, and then I just got curious, and then when I tried it, heaven, guys. Oh, may omega pa pala, guys. So efficacent oil, manzanilla at omega, partner yan. Hindi nawawala si omega. Hindi lang pampamilya, guys, pang sports pa, ganun. So yun, pwede siya sa kahit anong pain, sprains, or whatever, pang pain reliever. Ayan, omega. Na-share ko na kanina, guys, right, that I have betadine for just in case of emergency. So kapag nag-muscle pains din, I always have salon pass. Salon pass. But sometimes, guys, if the pain is usually here, and then if you're at work, so medyo nakikita siya. So I also have the salon pass liniment. Para din siyang roll-on. I-open mo lang siya, tapos ilagay mo kung whatever the affected area is. Same naman yung effect niya, same yung heat and everything. So eto, if wala ka nito, you use this, or if okay naman din wala ito, guys. Kevs, diba? Kever sa mga nagtanaw diha. As long as you are relieve with whatever back pains you have, joint pains, or whatever, rayuma. Right. Salon Pass ang sagot sa kahirapan. Okay. And meron din akong plasters or band-aids. I have two types. I have the plastic one and the fiber. Very useful siya, guys, when you have a new shoes. Sa mga babae dyan, mahilig pa naman kayong bumili ng shoes. So, kahit wala naman talagang wound sa paa nyo or sa heel area. But what we girls do is, I'm sure nakaka-relate kayo, we put band-aid so that hindi titabasamad sa new shoes na to. It's still part of my essentials because again, I have kids. So, sa mga kids, especially sa mga babies, right? So, always talaga number one issues with them is the diaper rashes. So, I always have with me Calmo. I think per sachet is 36 pesos. So, I always have this. Kahit maliit lang guys, i-apply mo. Trust me, after few minutes or hours, nagsismile na yung baby mo. And, of course, paano ko ba explain to, right? So, for those who have kids, I know you can relate to. May kasabihan na hindi dapat tayo magutuman, right? And sometimes if we miss to eat on time, and then you eat like maybe after like hapon na, tapos hapon nakaka-lunch, or yun nga, you're not able to eat on time. So the result is sumasakit yung tiyan mo, nagka-hyper ka. Always yan, especially sa mga angkan like me. So panlaban dyan, Kremel S. So, I always have this. Kremel S or Semeco, guys. Panglaban sa hyperacidity. Those are the content, guys, of my Tita Essentials. So, I'm sure lahat nakaka-relate. Whether you're a kikay, a mom, adulting, mga ganun. Or kahit lalaki, I am sure at some point you use one of these things. So, guys, comment kayo below if which one is your Tita Essentials or Tito Essentials that's always in your pouch or small bag or kit that you always bring either sa work or kahit sa bahay or either you're traveling. Recommend kayo if you have any product that you would want to recommend. Comment down below, guys. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to hit like on the video. Subscribe na din, guys. I appreciate your subscription. You help my channel grow, and at the same time, eventually if we continue to grow, we'd be able to, obviously guys, I'm doing YouTube. Well, of course, goal naman nating lahat, right, to have extra income and to monetize our YouTube channel. So thank you guys for those who are already a subscriber, and if you're new to this channel, since you're already watching, subscribe naman dyan and hit on the notification bell icon, guys, so that you are always updated with new videos in this channel. Or comment down below if you have any questions or feedback about this video, since I'm a new vlogger, but I'm very open to feedback and suggestions on what I can improve on or content na pwede kong gawin on my channel. So thank you, guys, and this is again your Mommy Spike. See you on the next video. Bye!